everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update to what's going to happen on Amalanga, our family, from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. Ntombi's unsolicited suggestion makes things worse. Tsunami checkmate his enemies. Anele makes a decision she immediately regrets on Tuesday. Thembi wrestles with her pain torn between anger and duty to her twin. Gumede turns to the ancestors, pleading for mercy, while family tension cracks under the strain. Meanwhile, Tsunami and Xoli tightens their pact, determined to sabotage Sabelo even as he hovers near death on Wednesday. Sabelo wakes up from the coma and news about him cheating with the mayor's wife breaks. Dules proposes that Thembi gives Tsunami what he wants. Anele becomes even harder on herself for eating the way she eats on this day. Sabelo takes a bold effort to do damage control but finds himself receiving a heavy threat. Thembi decides to give up her moral and principle, and Ntombi makes a startling discovery regarding her daughter Anele on Friday. Thembi finally cut ties with Dules while Sabelo wants to diss Tsunami in a song. Star hands in her application forms. Ntombi and Gumede commit to checking in on their kids' well-being. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.